this done by 9 a.m. Good morning, happy day. I'm going to show you a day in my life. So it's going to be a slow morning day in my life vlog. So there's going to be some editing. I was going to start this vlog with me like journaling, which we are going to do all of that. And I was like, no, I actually need to do laundry. Trying to turn off this face tracking thing. I just for side note, I do record on my DJI Pocket Osmo 3, and it has this face tracker thing that it'll follow you, so it can be nice. I'm looking for my tripod so I can set you guys down on top of my dryer, and so I can hold this a little better. Yeah, so it follows you. It's one of the features of this camera. When I tell you this camera is made for content creators, yeah, I like it. I want to learn how to like do the color grade and stuff like that, because people be talking crap like, oh, I know when you're recording on a DJI, because I guess the color doesn't. I don't know. Use towel, like I wash towels every day in our house. Just how it is. It's just how it is. And so there's a lot of towels I need to wash. And yesterday I washed my daughter's hair. So that was a lot of towels. And she has a lot of hair. So I started washing her hair in the kitchen sink. And I was like, why haven't I done this? What have I been doing this whole time? It's been way easier. So I need to buy one of those the things to make it, so why I have so many more towels to wash is because we put 2-3 towels under her upper back so she can be in the sink. And I was like, I need to get that thing where they have for the young kiddies, where it's like padded on the bottom and then it has like this bar, and you can put their iPad so they can watch TV and stuff. So if you guys have one of those, let me know. But I was like, it's such a good idea, because I'm like, what did I do as a kid? Because my mom washed my hair in the sink plenty of times as a kid, and so I'm like, we didn't have that fancy iPad thing when I was my daughter's age. So I'm like, I'm gonna ask my mom, like, did she put towels like I did? I don't remember that though, if I'm gonna be honest. I feel like I just remember the hard floor or the hard counter. Just want to show you guys this day in my life because I don't work today. Today I have the day off because I work tomorrow. You are going to see this the same day, but I don't know when you're going to watch this. But today is Friday, April 10th, 2026. This is the 64th. In the caption, it'll be correct. In the description, it'll be correct. Make sure you actually open that description and peruse and look at all the links. I give you links to my free 30-day yoga challenge. If you are new here, oh my gosh. Thank you for being here. I didn't even say all of that. I just jumped right into it. My name is Leslie. I am a registered nurse with 12 years of healthcare experience, and I'm also a certified yoga instructor with 5 years of teaching experience. Currently doing a 100-day YouTube challenge. So today is day 64, 65. That's the joke in itself. I never know what day we are on. I just know that we're more than halfway there. And the reason I'm doing 100 days of YouTube is to challenge myself. I am a very consistent person, so I don't struggle with consistency. I just want to get monetized over here. I already am monetized on YouTube. There's already the Leslie that exists with the monetization. So, and we're going to get into manifestation in a little bit. I will be back. So now we are journaling before I work out. So I have 2 separate journals that I'm currently using. Journaling is something like I've been consistent, here on YouTube, but journaling, I kind of stopped. I did stop for a while, but anyways, like I was telling you all, I'm getting back into my manifestation journey. So I got this manifestation journal. I don't remember. I think I got it like on Amazon. So it has prompts, so I've been just doing one prompt a day. Again, this is only the third day of me being consistent with my journaling. I do struggle with different areas of my life with consistency. So the prompt today, if you want to take this, what would I want to experience in life if money was not an issue? What would I want to experience in life if money was not an issue? So that's what I'm going to ask myself today. I was going to journal after I work out because my mind is so clear. Like I be getting the downloads and the content ideas after workout, but I have a call like in less than an hour, and I really want to get both these things done before. Anyways, so in this journal lately, I've just been writing a gratitude list, 10 things that I'm grateful for. So yesterday I wrote 10 things that were not financial that I'm grateful for. And then I wrote this from one of my coaches, shout out to Hannah. She would have us write, I am so happy and grateful now. And then you'd fill in the blank of what you're so happy and grateful now for now. So I've been writing what that is. I'm not going to share that at this time. And I write it 3 times. So I'm going to get into that and then we'll go downstairs and work out. Okay. We had to shorten that a little bit. I didn't get to write my I'm so happy and grateful 3 times. I just wrote it once. But something with me, I have to not be so regimented. As long as I'm back into journaling, that's all that matters. Journaling, hold on. I'm trying to drink my 12 ounces of water before I start my workout. However, I felt a little nauseous. I'm not pregnant. No. But I just felt a little nauseous. And so I'm listening to my body. I'm still going to do my workout because I know that will make me feel better. But I try to drink my 12 ounces of water before. Why 12 ounces of water? I need to actually look more into the research of that, but that's what I do. So let's get into the gym, aka my garage. I love it here. All right, so, and with my workouts, right now at this time, I work out 3 times a week. I'm still here, just getting I gotta get myself together, y'all. It is 9:15. I have 45 minutes, and you'd be surprised. I'd be working out the full 45 minutes, but it's not a full 45 cardio. It's like I'm gonna do 30 minutes of strength training with Tunde. I do work out on the Peloton app. This is not sponsored. I pay my monthly membership. Thank you very much. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm actually also gonna get my speaker because nobody's home, so I could listen to the music, which I know at Tunde the music will be good. Won't be any nonsense. So got my JBL. It's connected. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get into my workout. All right, y'all. So I don't want to get copywritten, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. And how I'm showing you the workout is not the order that the workout was, but I want to keep your attention. But now that there's no audio, it don't even matter. But anyways, this is some of my strength training workout. It was a 30-minute workout with Tunde. I sweated a bucket of sweat, a gallon of sweat, y'all. It was such a good workout. Let's continue with the vlog. I get these downloads, if you will, of short form content to do. And how I record the short form content, I just go native in, I'm going to be doing it in Instagram. So I want to try to get this done by 9 a.m. It is currently 8:54. So I'm going to get this banged out. I already have the idea. I got to say it now. So before I forget, oh my gosh, let me take this off of. And I'm just going to show you guys how I blurp my way through it, if you will. But I feel like this is a good one for people. Just make sure I don't have a crust on my face because I haven't washed my face yet because I still got to work out. I have 2 calls today. Praise God, though. People are interested in my business. People love to pay me for my services. Okay. The reason that you're failing at being consistent is that So I figured out the reason that you're failing. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's because you guys are watching me. The reason that you're failing at being consistent in your life is because you are trying to be consistent everywhere. You're trying to be consistent with your workout routine, your meal prep, your finances, your faith. That is why you're failing. The real hack to making sure that you are consistent is this. You have to pick your health first. You have to pick your health first. When you are consistent with your health, and health, there are multiple things within that, right? There's your workout routine, there's your meal prep, there is all these other things within health, right? Your sleep. But once you pick one area in your health to be consistent with, you will see that things in your life become easier. It's not necessarily that it becomes easier, but because you are mentally clear, your body is able to move better. You are able to make decisions in other areas of your life better. If you need help with your health, like figuring out which area of your health to focus on, make sure you comment build and I'll help you. Reason that you're failing at being consistent in your life is because you are trying to be consistent everywhere. You're trying to be consistent with your workout routine, your meal prep, your finances, your faith. That is why you're failing. Real hack to making sure that you are consistent is this: have to pick your health first. You have to pick your health first. You are consistent with your health, and health, there are multiple things within that, right? There's your workout routine, there's your meal prep, there is all these other things within health, right? Your sleep. But once you pick one area in your health to be consistent with, you will see that things in your life become easier. It's not necessarily that it becomes easier, but because you are mentally clear, your body is able to move better. You are able to make decisions in other areas of your life better. You need help with your health, like figuring out which area of your health to focus on. Make sure you comment build and I'll help you. The reason that you're failing at being consistent in your life is because... So I'm trying, the reason you're failing at being consistent, because I realize that's the main reason people follow me, is because they just are like, you're so consistent. And so I'm getting better too of on short form content of having a hook. Like the first 5 seconds you have to hook people in. So I'm getting better at that, and I'm really proud of myself for that. So let's listen again. So I wrote, so it says the reason you're failing at being consistent, because that's the first thing that I say, and Instagram will do its thing with that. The reason that you're failing at being consistent in your life is because you 2 minutes till 9 everywhere. You're trying to be consistent with your workout routine, your meal prep, your finances, your faith. That is why you're failing. Real hack to making sure that you are consistent. The hack, people like hack. Pick your health first. You have to pick your health first. You are consistent with your health, and health, there are multiple things within that, right? There's your workout routine, there's your meal prep, there is... Let me cut that. Your meal prep. There's a pause. There's your workout routine, there's your meal prep. But once you pick one area in your health... Oh, no, wait. Oh, shoot. See, guys, this is the editing part. There are multiple things within that, right? It's your meal prep. There is all these other things within health, right? Your sleep. Oh, okay. Yeah. Things within health, right? Your sleep. Okay, cut that. You got to take out the, for Instagram. The workout routine. There's your meal, right? Your sleep. But once you pick one area... Pick one. Take that part. Okay, let's listen to it from. Let's just listen from the beginning. The reason that you're failing at being consistent in your life is because you are trying to be consistent everywhere. 59, 1 minute. With your workout routine, your meal prep, your finances, your faith. That is why you're failing. Real hack to making sure that you are consistent is this: have to pick your health first. You have to pick your health first. You are consistent with your health, and health, there are multiple things within that, right? There's your workout routine, there's your meal, right? Your sleep. Pick one area in your health to be consistent with. You will see that things in your life become easier. It's not necessarily that it becomes easier, but because you are mentally clear, your body is able to move better. You are able to make decisions in other areas of your life better. You need help with your health, like figuring out which area of your health to focus on. Make sure you comment build and I'll help you. So I'm just writing the call to action at the end of the video so people know what to do. That's what my business strategist has recommended. Make sure you comment build and I'll help you. Yeah. Okay. Captions, I don't know, because Instagram does auto. Man, I didn't know this clip was going to be this long. reason that you're failing at being consistent in your life is because you are trying to be consistent. Yeah, I don't know. With captions, it's so weird because Instagram, let me just write this quick, guys. Comment, and I'll explain in the next comment build, and I'll help you figure out which area in your health journey you need to focus on. You need to focus on today. Hashtag consistent health workout, consistent workout routine for moms. Motivate. I'll be back, guys, because this clip is long. Okay, so we just finished the 2 calls. One of the calls was for a yoga. Somebody wants me to teach yoga to a group of young girls. And then the other call was for something really exciting. And I don't like when people, creators do this, but when it's all fully fleshed out, I will explain. But I'm really excited about that second call. And then I'm about to eat my breakfast. So I wanted to just show you guys. So I have sausage, the last bits of bacon, because it is Friday. When I say we, my husband, he meal preps like breakfast from Saturday morning. So like he'll make a whole thing of bacon and just throw it in a plastic bag, and we eat that for the week. So this is all that was left of the bacon, scrambled eggs, some little hash browns that my husband found. I'll show you them if you're interested in getting these. They're the crispy crowns by Aura Ida. They're like is it Chick-fil-A and like Dunkin' Donuts, I think. I don't be going to Dunkin' Donuts like that at all, I'm gonna be honest. But they're like those hash browns that you get at if you go to fast food. So, and then I have my vitamins. That's what you also see on my plate. Eat my multivitamins with my breakfast. And if you're wanting to know other vitamins I take, I have a whole video on that I posted. I'll leave it down below so you can watch. I took my creatine this morning right after I did my workout. And I only take my creatine when I work out. I'm not taking it every day at this time. I'm somebody that can be very extreme, and I really want to ease myself in with this supplement. So I've only been taking it while right after I work out. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys my breakfast. Got my coffee here with some brown sugar in it. Lately, I've just been doing a shot of espresso, and especially on days when I work out and I take the creatine, I don't need another cup of coffee, like a shot of espresso. I don't. The creatine, it works. It really works. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast, and I think I'm actually gonna close out here because I have to do edits with this, and it's currently 11:56, and I have to post this for 7 p.m. And so yesterday the upload took a while. One, because I didn't get off work till almost 6, and I do my daily uploads for 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so long story short, by the time I uploaded it was like 6:15, and it didn't finish uploading till like almost 8 o'clock. So today I'm like, if I'm doing a morning in my life, day in the life vlog thing, I have to I just got to wrap up now before lunch. I can't do a full day in my life. So this is just like, get ready with me this morning on my day off from my corporate job. I'm trying to say SEO words to see what I can put for the title to get to more people. But anyways, I'm going to eat my brunch because it's now lunchtime. This is my first meal of the day. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.